Windows 95 is the first ever version of Windows to contain the Start menu, which continued development through XP, Vista, right up to Windows 7, and then got replaced by the Start screen in Windows 8. But can it be used in 2013? Let's find out. Okay. And we have Windows 95, and I have never made a password for this, so I'm going to cancel it. And it's giving me a welcome to Windows 95. If you don't know how to do something, you can look it up in help. Just click the start button, then click help. Okay. So, this is Windows 95. First Windows with the start button. You can see Windows 95 here. And what's the readme say? Make it full screen. Okay. Goodbye. First, let's see what the file explorer is like. Something. No, you can't just open that to go to documents. If I go to my computer, it's made a pretty menu. Go to my hard drive. So the file explorer, it seems to open a new folder instead of just like making a back button. I can use my documents. I don't know. There's a documents folder in the start menu, but I can't find my documents folder here. Maybe it's in Windows. That one didn't seem to open a new window. Okay. And it's good, so you scroll across on the more modern ones, you just scroll down, but File Explorer seems to be okay. No, it did open a new window, I just can't see the old one because it's behind. So it opens a new window every time it says the game back, so File Explorer is fine. If I go Start menu, what's my Start menu? Not all the programs. There's more than just programs folder on my Start menu. I've got a documents folder. I can't find my documents folder. I don't know where that is. So let's see, how do you make new folders? So to make a new folder on here. So just go new folder. New folder. And I can open it up. Here's my new folder, it's got nothing in it. And I can delete it. So that is, and it gives me a confirm thing. So that is file navigation in Windows 95. So yeah, it seems to be working well. Now I'm going to try and write a text document. Programs, accessories. It's got WordPad. I'm going to use WordPad because it's slightly more advanced. And it's got the bold and stuff instead of Notepad. It's just text, pretty much. Okay. writing in Windows 95. Backspace works. I want to make a task list to see what I'm supposed to do. Tasks for Windows 95 in 2013. So, can Windows 95 be used in 2013? And I can center that, I like that. I can center it. It's not really in the center though. I don't call that the center. The center would be more like that. It's about the center there. It's that needs to be over there a bit more. But it looks like I've kind of like got to drag this over a bit to get it. I can make it full screen, maybe. There, that's more like the center. So that was just because I didn't have the window dragged over enough. Okay. I like how it's showing me the time down there. Let's see. And actually I might underline that and make it bold. Bold and everything's working. I'll see if the italic works. Yep. I'll just get rid of that. Okay, now first one, I want to try folder navigation. Folder navigation, and for that I'm going to give Windows 95 a pass. And it's making everything go over. I want the pass like over here in the bottom, my task over here. So don't know why that's doing that. So yeah. Oh well. You know, like make the pass. My mouse is doing something funny. Capturing this. Now it seems to be working. What if I'll make the pass bold. There we go. 2. Don't want that bold. 2. And well, doing this. Right. Text document in Windows 95 WordPad. And so for writing a text document, I'm also going to give this a pass. So for writing simple text documents and folder navigation, Windows 95 can be used in 2013. And I'll make that bold again. Okay. The next one I'm going to try and do is, I keep forgetting to unbold it. is I'm going to try and access. I don't think that's how you spell access. Does that spell check? No. Access the internet with internet. I'll just write shorthand. I'll call it Internet Explorer. I think it's got version 3 or something. i3. Now I'll just minimize this. And I like how it's minimizing to the taskbar. That's just like what I'm using Windows 8, except that Windows 8 takes up a lot less room. And my start button is working with the keyboard, so the keyboard start button works, which is good. So now I'll go Programs, Internet Explorer. An unexpected error has occurred. Okay, so can't open the site, but I'm just going to see what version this is. Without Internet Explorer, what version is this? Microsoft Internet Explorer version 3.0. Wow, I think they're up to version 11 now. This is old. Okay. Let's try google.com. Okay. I might just go and try and fix this now. I think it's to do with my emulator not letting it have access, but I'm not sure, so I'm just going to try and fix this. I've played around with the settings a bit, and it's come up with Update Device Driver Wizard. This wizard will complete the installation of PCI Ethernet controller. That sounds like us. Okay, I'll just capture my mouse, and by searching your local drive's network and the internet locations for most current driver. Blah blah blah. Next. Please wait while Windows searches for an updated driver. Windows was unable to locate the driver. Install driver manually. Other locations above. I'm just going to click finish. And I'm back on Windows 9 drive. Programs. Internet Explorer. And it's still doing this thing. Okay, that was an absolute fail. Okay, so I'm just gonna give up on the internet. I won't say that it's a fail because I know you can access the internet, but it's just really hard to do with this emulation thing. So I'm just going to What should I try now? Might actually, I'm going to change the settings. So I'm going to change my background stuff and make it look awesome. So I'm just going to press Command S. That seemed to save it. And I'll just capture my mouse again. Sorry about that. Exit that. There it is right there. And now let's try right clicking properties. Okay, that was easy. Bricks, buttons, cargo net. Oh, it has lots, but they're pretty boring. They're just patterns. One like a picture. Okay, they're all just patterns. Are these pictures? Let's see. Hey, that's an actual picture. Let's apply that. That is okay. Nice computery thing here. What's straw mat? Trails, no. What waves? No, I'll just keep this. Cancel that. Yep. So that was the setup picture when I set it up. So that's what it's called, setup. Now I want to go to control panel. Control panel. And let's see what else we can do here. Passwords. I'll try security. Change the security settings. Cancel. Let's try. What can I do with my mouse? Oh, that's just that. Pointers. Windows. It doesn't give you many options. I'll just cancel that. I wonder if this can help me connect to the internet. No, that's going to do anything. And so, whoops, display. That's just that. Can I go into settings? The settings tab. This mouse is being stupid and not letting me move up there. I'll try recapturing it. Yay. Hope that works. And I'm on 16 color. I'm pretty sure a 2013 laptop can support more than 16 colors. But it's not giving me any other options. You can either do that or monochrome. I don't want monochrome. Okay, appearance. Yeah, screensaver. What screensavers did they have? Pipes. Okay, spooky pipes. Nah. What's flying windows? Come on. Stupid mouse. Let me go down there. Here we go. Ah, it's lots of Windows flags. Breaking that. New lock. Now they're getting faster. Okay, I'm gonna apply that. And the stupid mouse being. This is just from the emulation. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to apply. And how do I do security passwords? Just giving you this random thing here. Oh no. Yeah. Actually, I think it gives you an option to create a password when you first log on, so I'm just going to shut down. Restart actually. Here's the nice startup screen. It's gone blank. Yes, you can create a username here. And create your password. And confirm your password. And whenever I log on, that should be my new password. I hope. So I'm going to shut down and see if it worked. Is it all secure now? Starting up. Blank screen. Yep, it's actually it's not that secure. What happens if I press cancel? No, that's not secure. You can press cancel. That's funny. Oh, that's so funny. You can just press cancel. Okay, so let's try this. Change settings. I'm going to give that a sort of, well, it doesn't give me any options and the security doesn't work, so I'm going to give that, well, the security settings don't work. I'm going to give the background stuff a half because they don't give you many options. I don't think there's enough options anyway. And for oops, make a password, and that is a definite fail because I can press cancel. That's not good. Number 5 will be to play some Windows 95 games. Okay, I don't actually have any game files on here, so I'm just going to get some. Okay, I've found a game called Hover. Let's check it out. And for a close-up view, okay, so I'm just going to go to my computer. Hover. It's even labeled it for me. To that. And start Hover. I'll just push OK. No, that. Hover will not function with the current 16 color video driver. Please change to a 256 color video driver and start Hover again. Okay. I went to settings before in the properties, and you can only do 16 color. But I wonder if it's settings on my controller thing, so I might just shut this down. Actually, save this. Now I'll shut it down. I like the curtain effect kind of thing. Shut down. Five. But it does work in Windows 8. And I'll just prove that it is Windows 8. Classic start menu, it's actually Windows 8.1. But now it's my screen exposure up. Don't know why that unminimized. But if we go into Hover to execute, it comes up with a message saying that it won't give the best performance, but it does still run. Press F2. To start a game, click Start Game, press Object. The game is to collect all your opponent's blue flags before they collect your red flags. Okay. Yep. All of them opponent's blue flags. So, whoa, it's like a maze thing here. I don't know where I'm going. Whoa, where am I? This is really pixelated. I think I'm just going in circles. And banging into stuff lots. Whoa. I still don't know where to go. Dead end. I like how it's got a map though. It's good. Hey, it's blue flag. Yes, I got a blue flag. How do I collect it? How do I pick it up? Yes, got it. Okay. Got some nice sound effects here. Hey, they just took a red. There's a red flag. What do I do with red flags? That's my own red flag, isn't it? So I can't pick it up. No. So stop the other guys collecting. Let's see. Ah, there's a blue flag. Blue flag. Well, I'm like, what? Yeah, picked it up. Now where do I go? Just into a wall. Great idea. Not. Whoa, what's this grey stuff? Can I go through it? I that. Okay. Where do I go? Ah, you can go like up here. You have to take it gradually. I can go up here, up these steps, and let's see what's up here. And then I go all the way back down. What did that do? I seem to be like going around in circles. Let's see what's under here. You know what that did? Okay, what is that stuff? So pixelated, I can't really tell what everything is. Blue flag, yeah. Whoa. One flag left. Okay, apparently there's one flag left. And that's the blue flag left. What? Didn't I just pick up that flag? I think that was the next level. Okay, I might just quit this thing now. Okay, see ya. Yes, I'm sure. Pretty disappointing that hover didn't actually work on Windows 95. Well, developers, Microsoft. Publisher, Microsoft. Platform, Microsoft Windows. Released August 1995, so it really should have worked. Anyway, when I ran it on Windows 8, for graphics, awful. I couldn't really make out what anything was, but it looks pretty old, so wouldn't match the 2013 standards, but apart from that, it was alright. Like, I could feel some navigation, and the maze was got me pretty lost. So, pretty complex maze there, sort of going around in circles, but oh well. So, yeah, it was alright, apart from the graphics. Okay, here's another thing I want to show you about hover. It has now been, 2013 version has been made, which is playable in your browser, and it's got way improved graphics, and it's loading. So it's keyboard controlled. It's taking a while to load, but yeah. So you can play it in your browser. It is, just go to www.hover.ie, and you can choose this single player stuff later that I've got in there. It's taking a really long time to load. Now it's gone. Yes. Yep. Okay. And see how the graphics are really improved. It's a bit slow in your browser, but maybe it's just my browser. Anyway, that's it. Okay, let's go to tasks and games. I'm not actually going to rate it on games. It should have worked, so maybe I downloaded the 16 color version of Windows 95, and there was another version that I missed or something, so I'm not going to rate it on games. I'm going to change the fifth task into view photos. So let's see if it can view photos. And actually, then I'll make one view some sort of movie. Okay. And now I'll just save that and get the camera out. Okay, so just find something to take a photo of. It's take a photo of Dunedin. I'll just zoom in a bit. And the calves and the cat. So I doubt this will work, but I'm going to insert the SD card from the camera. It's in there, and is it on here? Still got hover inserted. It was a Windows 8 sound saying that it's recognised it. Floppy disk. Don't think it's on here. No, it needs to be. So it's not on there. I didn't think it would be. Let's go to File Explorer. And it should be in here. You know what try this? Try. Yep, that was driving. I've now inserted the virtual floppy disk, CD disk I think it is actually, into here, and the camera SD card. I can open it up, and let's see, let's still try opening the picture. So opening Internet Explorer, I would have thought it would have like a picture viewing app, but not just Internet Explorer, but okay, it's opened up. Doesn't seem to like make it smaller. Got to scroll across. So this is seeing pixel by pixel. And I guess it's reduced it because it's 16 colors, but this is not at all how it's supposed to look. This looks really awful. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that looks awful. It's just quality. Yeah. So pictures, not the best. Let's try another picture. It's taking a while to load it. I guess it's reducing it to 16 colors. Okay, also not the best. Okay, so that's the fence there, and that's the carbs. This is the carbs photo. You can't really make out what it was unless you took the photo and know what it is. So, I think last one. Okay. I'm guessing this will be pretty awful too. Yeah, it's just not really a way to explain it. Except, okay, so viewing photos a definite fail. Let's see if videos are any better. Um, is this playing? Wow, it's playing the sound alright, but where is the actual video? So sound works on this, but video, well, there's no video. Yeah, well, now it's doing something really awful. That sounds good. Goodbye. I'm guessing these will all be pretty much the same. So, yeah. Videos, photos, doesn't really work, but I'm guessing it can play sound pretty well, which is actually the next task I'm going to get it to do. So I'll just edit my task list. Fail for photos, definitely. View movies, that's also going to get a fail because movies usually have picture, not just sound. But I'm guessing sound will be a pass. And that's actually the next one, so I'll get rid of the bold. Play sound slash music, and I'm just going to get a music file and make it into a virtual floppy disk image or CD image or whatever you want to call it. Probably a CD image. And insert it and see how it goes. So I've now inserted the some music into the CD music, and let's see if the WMA file works first. Doesn't. Okay. Doesn't like WMA in player. I think that's music player. Okay. This file could not be played. Okay, so that doesn't work. MP3 doesn't know how to open the MP3 file. Okay, what files can it open? Okay, I'm going to try and find a music file that can open, but this doesn't seem to be working. So I'll go and find it. Okay, I've inserted it. You can see my screen recorder's working. My screen saver is working. And now if we go into the okay, maybe I haven't inserted it. Hang on. devices. There, I have inserted it now, and here it is, and it looks like it can play. So that was just a random file I downloaded off the internet because I couldn't find a WAV file, but it can play, so that is awesome. So it looks like it can only play WAV files. Or there's something else, but I don't know. I have no idea what that something else might be, so I'm going to give it a half for this. That gets a half mark, and make it bold.
Windows 95. It was revolutionary for its time. I mean, themes from it have continued till today, even in Windows 8, if you're in desktop mode. It's got the start, well, actually Windows 8 has this sort of start, but it's still called Start. It's got the taskbar, still in Windows 8 if you're in desktop mode. So it was absolutely revolutionary. Sadly, it only got a 3 out of 7, passing on the folder navigation, text documents, half for changing settings. Password was an absolute fail. You could just press cancel and get in, so not very good security. My battery's running low. Photos awful, movies awful. Well, that didn't even play the movie part, just played the sound, and the sound was a half. So I only got 3 out of 7, but it was still very revolutionary for its time. So that pretty much concludes things. Bye.